Insiders are buying again. After 6 to 8 weeks of very light insider buying, I'm finally seeing Form 4s hit the wire at a faster pace than I've seen since March. This is not uncommon for insiders to buy much less than the market is making new highs, but thanks to the sell-off we've had in the market for the last couple of weeks, a lot of insiders are placing big trades, again, with their own money in their own account and their own stock. And these are the alerts I like to follow that have led to trades that have gained as much as 1,091%. In fact, we own stocks, my insider portfolio right now, that are up over 500% in just the last 12 months. It's the way to find them. So I want to show you a new opportunity right now. Take a look at this stock. You'll see a slight pullback on an earnings miss that took place last week. And this triggered a couple of big influential insiders to begin buying this stock. We had one director pick up 5,000 shares. Another picked up 40,000 on the very same day. And this is a stock we don't see a lot of insider trading in. Take a look at this. Over the last 3 years of this stock, there was one really well-timed buy you see right here in the March of 2020, right there at the COVID lows. But other than that, it's the largest cluster of insider buying we've seen at this company in several years. Now, this stock has been surging for the last 12 months. As you can see, it's up. It ran from around $1 to around $11, so over 1,000% just over the last 12 months. This is a good sign. It means the stock is a mover, can definitely make some big runs, and it's one where you can see a several 100% profit on. Beyond that, when we go back in this stock, we see it was once a $20 stock just a couple of years ago. It was a $40, $50 stock before that. So the potential is definitely there. Right now, this company is worth only $580 million, meaning it's just a small cap stock. So the opportunity to see the stock double or triple is a very real one. In fact, I think we'll see this stock gain at least 100% over the next 6 months or so. I've also picked a stock option I recommended to my members along with this trade. It is 75 cents. Now, you know, options represent 100 shares, so that's $75 per contract, this option rate. Your max risk, $75 per contract. And if we get a large move anytime before the end of August, you will see a several 100% gain on this option, and I want you to get in on it. So go ahead right now, click that link below this video. If you haven't already, watch the on-demand training. I'll tell you all about my insider trading strategy, how I find these trades, where you can access the Form 4s yourself, what kind of trades tend to have the best results, things like cluster buys, first-time buyers, which both of these insiders are first-time buyers. They've worked there for several years, never bought the stock. Suddenly they are. What do they know now? I'll tell you why these are not flash-in-the-pan trades, something called a short swing rule. These insiders are required to hold this stock for a minimum of 6 months. They're not buying to try to get a little 2-week pop out of it. They're only buying these stocks when they believe they'll be significant higher 6 months and further from today. So these tend to be sustained moves. That's why we have such great success with the insider report and with these options 3 to 6 months out from expiry. So go ahead right now, click that link below this video, watch the on-demand training, become a member of the insider report, and I promise you'll never look at stocks the same way again.